It was just before midnight.
And I start to, come up the stairs.
Rebecca Doberstein was doing some cleaning at her home near 70th and Hampton.
And I probably get about a third of the way up the stairs. And then I heard more noise and I kind of stopped. And, as I'm looking up the stairs, coming around the corner from the doorway there's a guy standing there holding a bag.
Doberstein was bringing debris up from her basement to a waiting dumpster outside her back door. And this is a picture she got from her doorbell camera. She says it's the face she came face to face with in her kitchen.
He just freezes and looks at me, and I froze and looked at him and had some choice, colorful words about what he should do. And he took off just as fast as he came in, out the back door, and ran towards the alley.
The burglar made off with her gray leather purse, all its contents, but more importantly, he took her loaded gun, a Glock in a holster. She quickly took to Facebook and posted this photo, asking who the burglar is. Police are looking for him too. Doberstein says he was in her house for just about a minute, but what he took leaves her very concerned.
I lock everything twice, 3 times, check things. There's, 10 cameras around the house, 1 in the garage. You don't think something like that's going to happen, but, you still run through the scenarios of what would you do if, and being barefoot in the basement and seeing somebody at the top of the stairs with your gun certainly was not on that list.